You can easily create these stylized Ghibli-style images and other styles with just one click for free, even without ChatGPT. And the best part, you can turn them into videos right here and create viral reels effortlessly. Even though these images have been trending for the past few days, this isn't some groundbreaking new feature. Anyone familiar with AI-powered content creation knows that many tools can do this. Today, I'll introduce one that's super easy to use and even has a mobile app. There are plenty of other exciting AI features available here that you might find interesting. I'm Daniel, an experienced 2D and 3D animator. On this channel, I explore AI tools for content creation, especially in animation, and share my insights with you. So stick around, and if you enjoy this type of content, your likes and subscriptions really help us out. Go to Fodor.com and sign up with your Gmail. Then click Upgrade at the top and use the discount code in the description to get a free trial Pro or Pro Plus account. Even if you don't upgrade, Fodor gives free daily credits, and some tools like the Image Restyler are available for free with limited use. If you're on mobile, just click here or scan the QR code. You can start right from the homepage, but first let me show you something. There are tons of AI-powered tools for generating and editing images and videos, like the AI image generator, AI video generator, AI photo editor, and many others. I've covered a lot of these in previous videos, and I'll leave the links up there so you can check them out. There are two ways to create Ghibli-style images. If you want to restyle an existing image, just click the banner at the top and do it for free. Besides the three Ghibli styles, there are also plenty of other cartoonish 2D and 3D styles, plus sketch, artistic, pixel, and more. Now I'll test all three Ghibli styles so you can see how they look. Once you're happy with the result, download the final image from here. In the free version, Fodor's logo will appear in the corner, but if you want to remove it or get a higher resolution image, you can upgrade with the discount code in the description. Another way to create Ghibli-style images is by using text-to-image. Just type your prompt, select the Ghibli style, adjust the usual settings, and generate your image. Now here's where it gets even better. You can instantly turn your Ghibli-style images into videos. Just click Animate Your Art, and you'll enter the AI video generator. There are some trendy templates here, the same ones you've probably seen all over social media. You have three options to animate your images. The first one is image to video. You can upload your image here and write your desired prompt. After that, select the aspect ratio and duration. If your image is already in Ghibli style, you can select the original option here. You can even upload your initial image and choose the Ghibli style. Another cool thing you can do is use the Ghibli transform template. Just upload your initial image and click generate. You can do something similar with first and last frames template, which lets you animate between two images. There's also a text to video feature if you want to experiment with that as well. That's it. There are plenty of other AI tools here that you can use to create content, so try them out and let me know how it goes.